So my cat was lonely, and now she's in the room. Hi. But you're happy, right? I don't remember where I was. Hi. Hello. Might as well say a couple things about my cat while I talk. She's got a crooked head, so you're not just like seeing things. Her head has actually like slanted like this permanently. She's also got a sinus problem, and that is related to the tilting of her head, and why her one eye is runny. But she's so cute. It's also unrelated, though it could be related actually, I don't know, to the reason why she has seizures as well. Huh? Are you gonna lie down? No? Okay. This is like gonna be like 10 minutes of me just with my cat. Oh, nails should not go in legs. I'm gonna just like, just in case you want to go on my legs because I don't need the pain. Okay. So, I guess I want to say a couple of general things first. Hi. Hi. I'm not gonna be able to do this. And then my dad's waking up because he works at like that hour, and the one cat is in his bedroom when the door's completely shut, so yeah. I should just stop this, but I've been waiting so long to actually get some type of footage of her. Some type of footage of her being like all cute and lovey, so I'm gonna keep it. Right? Yeah. Possibly related to her inner ear and head tilting thing is she can't be picked up either, so this is her way of showing affection because she cannot be held. There she is. Yeah. Hi. Yeah? Are you cute? I'm sorry this is crooked, but I was holding my camera at a weird angle. Hello! Hi! You wanna come over onto me? Yeah? There you go. Come onto my legs. Put the blanket there for you. Yeah. Maybe this way I can actually record the video I wanted to record. Please don't go on my computer because it's got stuff on it. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah? Okay. I love you too.